Hello guys, I am Adhik and in this video we'll learn how to make an electronic piano using the Smocode IDE. Let's first make the piano model using the Smocode starter kits layout. Let's start making the circuit. We'll require the Smocode Think Mini, a breadboard, 4 push buttons, a capacitor, a transistor, a resistor with the bands brown, black, yellow as shown on the screen, a speaker, a bunch of male to male wires and a bunch of male to female wires. Let's start making the circuit. We'll first take the breadboard and connect our transistor onto the breadboard in this direction such that the flat side of the transistor's top is on our side, and we'll connect it on our breadboard this way. Do connect it on the right. We'll require this circuit to take minimum space of the breadboard, and also we'll be reusing the speaker's sound circuit for our next two projects. Now take the resistor and fold it so that it's easy for us to connect it on the breadboard. Connect it between the middle leg, which is the base of the transistor, and the collector of the transistor, like this. Now take the capacitor and connect its minus line, which is the negative leg, on the base of the transistor, which is the middle part of the transistor, and a random pin on the breadboard, like this. Now take a male to male wire and connect it between the emitter, which is the third pin, the rightmost pin of the transistor, and the negative line of the breadboard. And connect the speaker's two wires between the positive line of one. Connect one wire to the positive line of the breadboard and the other wire to the left pin of the transistor. Now take a male to female wire and connect the capacitor's other end that we left open to our Smocode pin number 21. Now we'll start connecting the keys for the keyboard of the piano. Do connect the keys in the middle row of the breadboard and have a space of 3 pins between each of the keys. Connect the 4 keys. Now for the 4 keys, connect each of the keys' right leg to the negative pin of the breadboard, negative line of the breadboard. We'll connect the first button's right leg, the second button's right leg, the third button's right leg, and the fourth button's right leg to the negative line of the breadboard. Now we'll take male to female wires for connection of the breadboard to our Smoothboard Thinquini. Now connect the left leg of the first button to pin number 2 of the Smoothboard Thinquini. Connect the second button to pin number 4 of Smoothboard. Connect the third button's left leg to pin number 5 of Smoothboard, which is D5, and the fourth button's left leg to pin number 15 of Smoothboard. Now we'll take a wire from V in pin or 5V pin of the Smoothboard and connect it to the positive line of the breadboard. And we'll take a wire from GND pin of the Smoothboard and connect it to the negative line of the breadboard. Take the artifact model and place it on the buttons as I am doing right now. And yeah, so our piano circuit is ready with the speaker and the buttons, which is the keyboard of the piano. Let's connect the circuit to our computer. Let's launch the Smoothcode ID and code for our project. We'll create a new project for the piano interface. Our project is created. On the left, we'll see a list of nodes from which we'll pick the on button click node. Our first button is connected on pin number 13. Now to that, we'll connect a sound node which will run on each button click of the first button. Now double click on the sound node and click on the pencil icon to specify the sound's output, which is on pin number 21. Keep the tone equal to 750 Hz. Click done. Now copy this code by selecting it and clicking Ctrl C. Now press Ctrl V and paste the code just below it. Change the button's pin number to pin number 4 and the sound's tone to 650. So if the second button is pressed, 650 Hz sound will be heard from the speaker. Again, copy the code below it and change the pin number of the button to pin number 5. And the sound to 550 Hz. In the next button's pin number 2, pin number 15, and the sound tone to 450 Hz. Now take another sound node and click on the switch and turn it off. Yeah. So after the sound comes, we want that after a small delay, we want the sound to go off. So the delay should be 0.35 second. Now connect all these sound nodes to the delay node so that anytime a sound is heard, after 0.35 seconds, the sound is turned off. Our code is ready. We'll save the code and click on the verify button. The code is verified. A quick correction, guys. In the circuit, we have connected a pin on pin number wire on pin number 2 of the SMO board. Disconnect it from there and connect it on pin number 13 of SMO board. Now let's upload the code. It will ask us to press the boot button for a while. Our code has started running on the SMO board, and let's try the piano. That's all for this project, guys. For more details and explanation, check the website documentation link in the video description. Hope you guys liked the video. See you in the next project.